quick fire kitchen questions for
Okay.
Chef Anton.
Okay.
Okay. Question number 1. We'll start you off easy. What is this utensil called?
This is very clearly, a brusher. Which
A brusher. Okay.
No, you know what I'm gonna say
What
for
do you-
basting. For
That-
basting.
It's a basting brush.
That's
Okay, I'll give you that point.
Yeah, okay, I'll get it.
I'll
Okay.
give you that point.
All right.
Okay. Second question. What does the term julienne mean?
So julienne is actually it's when you thinly slice vegetables and fry it.
I'll give it to you. What is this utensil?
Zola, you probably wonder how I stop my eyebrows connecting, and this is for industrial eyebrow plucking.
Mm-hmm.
I have no idea. Yeah.
That's exactly what it is. It's a tweezer. Yeah.
It is
Not
a
for your
tweezer.
brows. What does it mean when a recipe says saute?
Lightly flamed.
Flamed.
You cook it on super high heat, maybe over flames.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is very wrong. Bonus question for
Okay.
you, sir. How long should you bake mac and cheese for?
Well, I'm just gonna consult my trusty steed that has kept me company for
Is
my
that
entire
part of the
life.
rules? I wonder.
So normally I cook. What was the question again? I bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes
Well done.
until golden.
Okay, you pass. You
There
win.
we go.